Item: SCP-1106. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-1106 is to be kept in a secure containment locker in site. All testing must be approved by Level 3 staff or higher. All uncontained instances of SCP-1106 discovered must immediately be secured and brought into containment. Description: SCP-1106 is a cylindrical metal chamber composed of an unknown alloy determined to be roughly 96% iron. During its standby phase, SCP-1106 is inactive and its top cover will be open, granting access to the interior. However, the inside is consistently found to be empty during the standby period. If at any point a human tissue sample is placed inside the chamber, such as a buccal scraping, or a sample of blood, saliva or redacted, SCP-1106 will close and enter its locked phase. All attempts to open or otherwise access the interior of SCP-1106 during its locked phase have proven unsuccessful. Attempts to place cameras or other devices inside SCP-1106 to observe the inside during the locked phase have also failed. It appears that the item will not close and lock if there is any inorganic material inside the chamber. 3 months after the initiation of the locked phase, the chamber will reopen and produce a human infant genetically identical to the sample donor. The products of SCP-1106, hereby referred to as SCP-1106-1, in the majority of all cases will develop normally and be indistinguishable from a naturally born human. Nonetheless, in a small portion of cases, about %, instances of SCP-1106-1 will be born with marked defects. Recorded defects include SCP-1106-1 being born with abnormal numbers of limbs, being born without skin, being born with the system positioned outside of the body, and potentially dangerous deviations in data expunged, coupled with a significant increase in aggression. Most notably, one instance of SCP-1106-1 was discovered to be emitting a remarkably high level of gamma radiation, forcing the immediate vicinity to be evacuated. Addendum 1106 to 1101. Transcript of label affixed to the exterior of SCP-1106. Thanks for your purchase of your own genuine Grow Your Own Child trademark sign kit. Brought to you by your friends here at the factory. Procreation has never been so easy and so fun. Just place your DNA sample inside and watch the Grow Your Own Child trademark sign kit work its magic. Your child will be ready in less than 3 months. Guaranteed. Asterisk. Results may vary.